Hi, how are you today? Another very important tip to be healthy and to have a good immune system is to eat well. And today Claudio is going to make a fabulous recipe, very simple, with pasta and fresh tomato.
Thanks, Blanca. I'm going to make one of the most beautiful, wonderful pasta in the whole world, which is with fresh tomato. First, get some water, get a pot, fill it up. This is on the stove. Now let's get the tomatoes. You really shouldn't keep the tomatoes in the fridge. They don't taste the same, but because we're going to cook them, it shouldn't make a lot of difference. Una sciacquata ai pomodori, in English. Quick rinse to the tomato. These are oxheart tomatoes, wonderful because they're fleshy and they peel so easily. Sometimes you can peel them with your fingers, sometimes. Okay, not this time. When you can't peel them anyway, you do a cross on top of them, on both sides. We're going to put the tomatoes in the boiling water for 50 seconds or so. The next essential ingredient is garlic. I love garlic. I would put it in the coffee if I could. But you can't put it in the coffee, don't put it in the coffee. This is the easiest way to peel garlic. A minute later, let's get rid of the tomatoes. It's time to salt the water. That's much easier to peel than now. Time to drain pasta, cup underneath. Let's cut up the tomatoes. The pot goes back on the fire. Olive oil, garlic. The garlic should fry a few seconds. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. You might have noticed that I saved cooking water from the pasta, the final touch. This is water that had a lot of amides released by the pasta. It'll make the sauce stick to the pasta. I put this much sugar when I use tomato. It cuts down on the acidity of the tomato. Touch of pepper, and we're done. I will put a couple of leaves of basil. Super organic from my own plantation. And then you can come around and eat. E buon appetito!